What is a conversation that counts? In short, it's a conversation that is powerful from beginning to end, every time. It's a conversation that values time, that respects interests, and that has a set of competencies involved with it. First of all, I value my time. And I value your time in a conversation. If I'm in a conversation with one person, 20 people, or 700 people, I value the time equally. Secondly, I respect the interests of the parties in the conversation. If I'm not getting something out of it, why am I in it? If you're not getting something out of it, then why are you in it? So you respect the interests of the parties involved. Now, when we get down to the competencies, we get to the skills required to move towards mutual understanding, to move towards mutual agreement, and to skillfully figure out how to do that faster, farther, maybe we reach higher on our goals, and with fewer mistakes. It's a simple set of competencies that will give you the skills to do the value and the respect piece. So if you're willing to learn these competencies, imagine the impact that it can have in your sales process. Imagine the impact that it can have in your management or your coaching conversations. Now imagine the impact it can have in your personal life. Multiply that across the board. Every conversation in your personal life you can be more effective at. You can get a little bit farther. You can get a little bit more connected. You can get a little bit more done. That's what Conversations That Count is about. I'm excited to have you here, and I'm happy to see you at the gym.